Check the CV joint boots. Should be a line item to check off on every job ticket for every oil change, every brake job, every alignment job, every steering and suspension repair, and every exhaust repair. We're going to explain why next. Under normal operating conditions, CV joints and boots are engineered to last upward of 150,000 miles. Some go the distance, but a lot reach the end of the road far short of their design life. CV joint shafts are typically being replaced at anywhere from 70,000 to 130,000 miles. What's more, some makes and models are notorious for eating shafts, sometimes because of the relatively thin case hardening used in CV joints. Outer CV joints are usually the ones that most often need to be replaced, and this is for two reasons. The first is that the outer CV joints wear more than the inner CV joints because of the steering angles they experience. The other is that the boots on the outer joints are just more apt to fail than the ones on the inner joints. As long as a CV joint remains sealed inside its protective environment, it will do its job until it wears out. But real-world driving creates conditions that can cause bad things to happen to good boots. Age, heat, cold, and road hazards can all conspire to breach the protective barrier provided by the boot around the joint. And once the seal is breached, trouble quickly follows. This is why you should always take the time to visually inspect the boots around both the inner and outer CV joints anytime you are under a vehicle doing other maintenance or repairs. A boot failure is bad news for any CV joint because it dooms the joint to premature failure. A split, cracked, loose, or torn boot will throw grease, draining the joint of its vital supply of lubricant. Sooner or later, the joint will run dry, which is not a good thing for metal-to-metal surfaces that must withstand high-pressure loads and constant friction. A boot that doesn't seal can allow outside contaminants such as road splash and dirt to enter the joint and wreak havoc on its precision-machined and polished surfaces. If the boot problem isn't discovered almost immediately, joint failure will usually follow within a few thousand miles. I'm David Sickels, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.